Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change your name in Facebook. To do that, head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And from there, head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. Then scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy drop down box. Tap on Settings. From there, head over to Make the Account Center. Now go to your profile. From there, choose your Facebook profile. And here goes your name, username, profile picture, and avatar. So as you want to change your name on Facebook, head over to name. And in here you have to change your first name, middle name, or surname if you want to change. And once you have changed that, just tap on review change and your change of name in Facebook will be done. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next one.